This is George. He's had some trouble with catnip use in the past.
Oh, shit!
You're fucking beginner,
You are fucking,
man.
you are fucking.
You fucking, you bloody.
You bloody.
Fuck you, bloody. Bastard, bitch.
You
fuck you,
bastard,
fuck
you.
you. Bloody, fuck you, bloody. Fucking mother, bloody, fuck, bitch.
Bitch, you
Bloody,
what
fuck
do?
you, you.
43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 54. Get back. Oh, no, I forgot count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hello, Mom.
Take that off straight away.
My cat thinks he's a fruit.
Qué ole, ¿cómo le va? Mucho gusto.
Esa boda es mi hija pequeña. A la mayor de su vida. Ella soltaría.
Open the door or I'm going to throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
Wow, bestie, look, we found a forest. One single plant is not a forest, dingus. Nature is so beautiful. This plant isn't even real. Everything's real if you just believe. Sure, whatever.
Hey man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at?
Mama said that it was okay. Mama said that it was quite alright. Actually, she specifically said not to do this, but LOL, what can you do?
I owed him up.
What? It has not been that hard of a day for you.
No! No. They are my chicken nuggets. No.
Bella, high five.
Voila.
Oho. Oho.
Oho.
Why is it spicy?
Don't let it fall off the couch. That thinks Frank's gonna kill it.
Timmy, no, why? It was so peaceful. It was so calm.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Open the door or I'm going to throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
No. Come on.
No.